Hey, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add PayPal to Shopify store. The process is going to be very easy and very simple and also fully integrated. Where you're going to do in here is going to head over PayPal and make sure that you have at least a business account within PayPal. So you're going to connect your PayPal and then make sure that you have set it up as business. You can transfer the normal PayPal account into a business or a personal to a business account with just a few steps. It will not take long. Now, what are we going to do into our Shopify store after we have signed in, of course, and set up the product and also the store of hours? We are going to head over the settings. So once you have the settings in here, you're going basically here to the payments. Click on payments, and then you're going to see the primarily set up payment accounts or payment getaway, and the second or the additional payment methods. Basically, you are going to see here always, I think, PayPal. So in here, you're going to get 2% transaction fees. So you're going to click on activate PayPal, then you're going to click on activate. It will take you to the account of your PayPal and then it is going to be connected. So I'm going to put in here the email of my PayPal. After you have signed in successfully, you're going to see this message. So you have now an account and also it is going to be successfully integrated with PayPal and Shopify. You're going to click on back to Shopify. We're going to wait for that store to be connected. Normally, we are going to see the payment settings, and normally we are going to see that it is going to be active. So when you are going to, or whenever you are going to get an order that is created within the shop in here, in the order, the payment method is going to vary on PayPal and also the Stripe or the first or the primary method that you have put. Basically, that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content. And if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.